Guys, welcome back to SMB Designs. My name is Stephanie. If you're new here, welcome. If you're not, hey y'all, hey. I wanted to come on and show you a cordless drill, nail drill that I got from Temu. And I'll just open it and show you what's inside. Just a little skinny little box. The nail drill is basically like a pin when you use it. It comes in the box and it has the stopper in it automatically. To pull this out and use it and put a different one in, you just click it all the way to the side and it will allow you to move that. Be sure you click it back to lock it in place. When you turn this on, you can see your amps, or I'm not sure if that's the right word, but it goes all the way up to 35. Yeah, 35 is where it's at. And if you are a lefty like me, then all you have to do is click the button, just click the top of it, and it'll show you that it's in reverse. If you need to go back, you just click it again, and it'll show you it's in forward. I did, well, let me finish showing you what's in the box. And with it, it comes with your USB cord. Now, it does not have a box, so you will need your own box or plug it into your computer. Instead of coming with the regular generic set of drill bits, it only comes with one, but it is called a flame bit, and it is a fine. And this is a really nice bit. I did use it, and it worked really, really well. So I'm happy about that, because a lot of times in the generic box, I don't use everything that's in it. And if you remember, I had bought this set from Temu already. So I have that. And I bought the sanding band one when I bought all of the sanding bands. It came in it. So it was really a good setup for me. So that's really all there is in it. I did go ahead and work with this drill today, and the drill works great. You get it charged and it stays on. Oh my goodness, me and packaging don't get along. It stays charged up for you to use. Let's see, it says low vibration. I would agree with that. It's very, very quiet and low. Let me see anything else that the box might say. It says something about the battery right there, but I can't read it. But it does have this on the back. It says the battery capacity is 1200 mAh. It is made in China. And one thing that kind of got me when I was reading it, it says how to use, it says please check the manual. There is no manual with this one. So it was kind of just fiddling with it to figure out how to do it. It says the device complies with Part 15 of the FCC rules. Operation is subject to the following two conditions. 1, this device may not cause harmful interference. And 2, this device must accept any interference received, including interference that may cause undesired operation. I'm not sure what all that means, but that's what it says. But I used this on some gel nails with the sanding bands. Worked great. I used it to take the shine off of my natural nails. Amazing. I also used the ball bit and stuff around my cuticle area here. Perfect. I love that everything is right there and you don't have to fiddle pulling a cord with you. So far, I am very, very pleased with this purchase. I'm only time will tell how long it will hold up. But that is my little thing I needed to show you, because a lot of us would do, you know, basic stuff with a nail drill. So this is a really good buy, and it was, I think it was like $30 something. I'm not for certain. Just look it up on Temu. That's the model number and the input for you. So yeah, guys, I hope this was helpful in some way to you, and I am looking forward to a lot of great nail sets using this. So thanks a lot, guys. I will see you in the next one. Bye.